voice in the silence, even when the storm won't stop. I wanna hear the silence of the night, but I can't see anything from the rain. You make me feel like I'm just a ghost that can still be burned with a blue fire. One day you're warm, the other so cold, but I still look forward to heal my soul, because you take everything to soul, just like you did it the other night. I never knew you could be so cold. You know I would never leave your right. I never wanted or liked to play with fire. In the end, all that was left of me was a ghost. And every word cuts deeper now. Every scar still bleeds somehow. I tried to carry all your pain, but I got buried in the rain. I'm falling apart again, inside this war, inside my head. Your shadow lies beneath my skin, but all I feel is cold again. I scream your name through the storm, but every light inside is gone. I held the flame until it died. Now I'm just a ghost alive. Now I'm just a ghost alive. Every night feels like the same rerun. Dark room, no sleep, nowhere to run. Your voice still echoes through the walls. Every memory sharp when the silence calls. Now I'm pacing through the halls alone, trying to rebuild what the pain had broken. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I wear these scars like they're stitched inside. Blue fire burning through my veins. Love and hate got tangled in chains. I tried to save what we became, but every road still leads to rain. Maybe I was never enough. Maybe we both became the flood. You held the crown over my mind while I kept losing myself inside. Inside, I lost myself I'm falling apart again, inside this war, inside my head. Your shadow lies beneath my skin, but all I feel is cold again. I scream your name through the storm, but every light inside is gone. I held the flame until it died. Now I'm just a ghost alive. Just a ghost alive. Just a ghost alive.